What's the role of a gaffer in filmmaking?
On shoots, gaffer plays a very important role. He knows exactly, he or she, whoever. Mostly I've been working with he gaffer, so it naturally is coming out like that.
In more than 100 years, it's largely male voices that are heard on the Bollywood film sets. Women are yet to set foot in the lighting department.
A lot of women are discouraged, or rather it's not considered as a profession for women.
Actor Richa Chadha and filmmaker Shuchi Talati initiated a gaffer training workshop Undercurrent Lab when they couldn't find a single woman gaffer for their film. One of the training participants was Saloni Sakhar Dande.
The entire job of the gaffer is to suggest what best lights can be used for a particular scene. So there's the creative part where they're going to be like, this is the light you can use, this is the distance at which you can place it, or this is the height. There's the technical part where they'll be like, okay, this amount of electricity is required to power this light.
A lot of it is just thinking that gaffer hai matlab light uthana padega and all that, but I feel what profession doesn't have it.
A step has been taken, but are things really changing for women in the lighting department of the film industry?
They might not get a gaffer for their film, but it can start something. It can be the beginning of a movement.